When people talk about car insurance, you'll often hear three words tossed around: liability, comprehensive, and collision. They sound straightforward, but what do they actually mean? Let's unpack them in a way that actually makes sense. Liability coverage is the one you can think of as your oops coverage. If you cause an accident and damage someone else's car, or worse, injure another person, liability insurance is what pays for their repairs and medical bills. Almost every state requires drivers to carry liability insurance, and that's because it's not just about protecting you. It's about protecting everyone else on the road. Now, comprehensive coverage is like your what-if insurance. What if a tree branch falls on your car? What if someone breaks into it? What if a hailstorm leaves dents all over your hood? Comprehensive is what steps in for non-accident-related damage. It's not legally required, but it's incredibly helpful, especially if you live somewhere with unpredictable weather or high theft rates. Then there's collision coverage, and this one's pretty self-explanatory. If you crash into another car or even a stationary object, like a pole or guardrail, collision insurance helps pay for repairs to your vehicle. Without it, you'd be covering those costs entirely out of pocket. So how do you know what's right for you? Think about your car's value and your financial comfort level. If your vehicle is older and not worth much, collision and comprehensive might not be worth the monthly cost. But if your car is newer or you rely on it heavily, having that extra protection can save you thousands down the road. In the end, liability protects others, comprehensive protects against life's curveballs, and collision protects you from, well, collisions. Knowing the difference is the first step in making sure you're not overpaying or underprotected. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.